Now we're going to check our answers to 14.4. So I think the thing that we have to remember is that when we're talking about a milliliter, 1 milliliter is like how many drops? It is like 20 drops from a dropper. So you have to remember that when we're talking about, Amelia, we're talking about 1 milliliter is like 20 drops from a dropper. So you have to be thinking about that when you're thinking about the milliliters. So let's look here. Fish tank. Is this fish tank going to hold 40 milliliters or 40 liters? Amelia.
About maybe 40 liters.
It's 40 liters. How about this measuring spoon? Is it 50 milliliters or 1 liter? Lance. 15 milliliters. How about this sink? 14 milliliters or 14 liters? Reese.
14 milliliters.
No, the sink doesn't hold milliliters. Remember, 1 milliliter would be 20 drops from an eyedropper. So this would be 14 liters. A juice box, 250 milliliters or 250 liters. Beckett.
Like 250 milliliters.
250 milliliters. Okay. How about a teacup? 150 milliliters or 15 liters? Eli.
I like
Teacup.
150 mil.
Yes, 150 milliliters. How about a bathtub, Allie? 115 milliliters or 115 liters?
A bathtub, 115 liters.
115 liters. A bottle cap, 3 milliliters or 3 liters? Sophie.
3 milliliters.
3 milliliters. A teapot, 1 liter, 10 or 10 liters. Nina.
1 liter.
1 liter. Now, it says, write an estimate for the capacity of a dog bowl. What do you think the capacity for a dog bowl might be? Maddie.
1 liter.
1 liter. I could go with 1 liter for a dog bowl. Anybody else have one? Yes.
2 liters.
It could be 2 liters for a dog bowl. 1
Depending
liter.
on the size.
2 liters, somewhere in there. Write an estimate for the capacity of a vase. What'd you write?
2 liters.
It could be in liters. It could be that one probably wouldn't have been in liters. It depends on the base because there's all different sizes of bases. So 2 liters could have been your base. It could have been 2 liters. It could have been one of those smaller ones, yes.
That one might be like 400 milliliters.
It could have been milliliters, yeah. Could have been 400 milliliters. It could have been 750 milliliters. Could have been something like that. Okay, let's look. Did everybody write that? Did you check your answers while we were moving along there? Did you check? Did everybody get those answers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we had question number 20. It says, Becky wants to measure the capacity of her brother's wading pool. She has a 1 liter container and a 10 milliliter container. Which should she use? Explain your reasoning. Lance, you know what? I think I already, did I call on you yet?
Yeah.
I'm going to give Reese a turn. Reese, which should they use? What should Becky use?
1 liter.
Why? Why should she use the 1 liter container? I'm going to agree with you.
Because 10 milliliters is not that much.
It's too small, right? So Becky should use the 1 liter container because it is larger. So let's say that. Oh, forgot to put the ink. So we'll say the 1 liter container because it is bigger. It is the appropriate tool for the job. We have to use the appropriate tool. Okay, now number 22. Gary is painting a small storage shed. He estimates that he can do the job with 1 can of paint. Which of the following is the best estimate of the total volume of a can of paint? So, how much paint does Gary have? Izzy?
About 4 liters.
About 4 liters. That's right. 4 milliliters. That's not enough, right, Lance? About 40 liters, well, that would be way too much. And about 40 milliliters, there would hardly be any paint. You'd hardly be able to paint a dollhouse with that, dollhouse shed with that much. So yeah, so that would be the best estimate, boys and girls, best estimate. Okay, put a star on this. And